In this video, we'll look at using the distance triggering on the P3 payload. Distance triggering can be helpful while flying complex structures, which you cannot use automated flight software for. This allows you to collect consistent imagery based on a defined distance. There are 3 different methods for this. Horizontal distance, where it will capture an image on a predefined horizontal distance. Vertical distance will trigger after the drone has moved a certain distance vertically. Finally, we have 3D distance. This will trigger after the drone has moved a certain distance within a 3D space, so either horizontal, vertically, or a combination of both. We can enable this in the DJI menu by going to Menu, PSDK, and scrolling down until we get to Auto Capture Mode. In Auto Capture Mode, we can select horizontal, vertical, or 3D distance. Once we've chosen our Auto Capture Mode, we can enter the capture distance. This is the distance that must be covered to trigger a new image. Please note that this is in centimeters. Once this has been set up, we can enable this by pushing the shutter button either on the remote or on the live view screen. As we can see here, we are flying horizontally and the camera is auto triggering at our predefined distance. Once we have finished capturing, again we can push the shutter button to disable this mode.